All right, so we've got some live breaking news, and this time it has nothing to do with mortgages. It has to do with insurance, and it's going to impact your buyers as well as your sellers. So pay attention to this video. I've got Carlo here from Old Harbor Insurance that's going to be talking about it all with us. Carlo, what the heck is going on now?
Yeah, super crazy. First of all, thanks for having me on.
Yep.
I've never seen the insurance industry this volatile in the last decade. And basically what we're seeing is a mass exodus of insurance companies leaving California. And it's creating hyper volatility. There are many reasons behind them leaving: inflation, consistent wildfires, but the catalyst is over-regulation right now.
Of course.
All of the contributing factors are affecting the insurance company's ability to operate within the state. And because they are regulated, they can't just increase prices. They're choosing to leave the state.
I know State Farm left, right?
Huge. State Farm is the nation's largest insurance provider. So the fact that they are no longer writing new business in California home insurance, that's a huge red flag, right?
So how is it going to impact the buyers coming in, or even the sellers? Of course, the sellers, if they're going to get a new home, what are we doing?
Yeah, right. So I'm sure as consumers, we've maybe seen stuff in the news, or we're maybe starting to have our insurance company send us requirements, trim trees, cut bushes. But where we're seeing it impact our business, real estate, escrows, real time, is it's limiting options for our buyers. It's limiting options. If someone wants to sell a home, and I have this brought to my attention often, well, can't we just use who currently insures the home? That's no longer an option.
Yeah.
They're not even operating in the state anymore. So it's so important, whether you're a realtor or a mortgage professional like yourself, to communicate how dire the time is right now in the state of California, and to move promptly in securing coverage.
Okay, so here's what we're doing in my team. So as soon as we get into contract, we are reaching out to Carlo and we're getting an insurance quote immediately and setting the expectation with the client that we're binding it right then and there. We can cancel. It's called a flat cancel. Is that what you said?
That's correct. Yeah.
If they choose different insurance, we can cancel it with no fees to them, but it's we could get a quote right now, and 2 hours from now, that insurance company is gone. So this is moving very quickly. So that's item number one. We're setting the expectation. We have to choose insurance right now. Item number two, for you as a real estate agent, this is a perfect opportunity to reach back to your past database. You need to let your homeowners know that, hey, do not let your insurance lapse, because insurance companies are looking for a reason to cancel you. Isn't that correct?
That's correct. We were talking about my client down in San Diego, and he's an affluent client. He's an attorney, actually. And his insurance carrier sent him letters, a pre-renewal letter, asking him to cut down trees, to cut bushes, and he called me upset. I understand, they're a part of our landscape, but I told him, hey, Justin, our next closest option is literally 4 times the cost, like at this time.
4 times. So it was maybe like a $2,000 policy, and now it's like $8,000.
Oh yeah, no, and I'm not exaggerating. I can't over communicate how critical the insurance industry is right now. And so once we dove through the weeds and talked about all the details, he understood, and he ended up removing the bushes. And otherwise, again, they're looking for reasons not to insure you.
So this is not a fear-based call to your past database. This is the advisor call to your past database to say, look, make sure you stay on top of this. And we're going to do a couple more YouTube videos. We're going to have a YouTube video for our database. We're going to have a YouTube video for our clients coming in, and we're going to do a couple of social media videos, because it's all about educating to keep the fear down. Definitely call us if you have any questions. We're going to put Carlo's information up there, but man, thank you so much. I know you are way in the weeds in this, so I appreciate it.
My pleasure. Thank you.